Good evening, everyone. This is my persuasive speech, and today I would like to talk about college sport. As you know, the NCAA is the organization who is responsible to create or organize all the sport competitions through more than 2,000 universities in the United States and is the place where future start of the NBA, NFL, and MLB and other sports are formed. But college players are amateur, and one of the main rules of the NCAA is that athletes cannot receive any salary for their contributions to the universities. In addition, they cannot receive any gift from someone who is interested in their sport. In the other hand, we have the case of Ed O'Bannon. And O'Bannon was a former college basketball star who in 2019 filed a case of actions to the NCAA and E8 Sports against E8 Sports and the NCAA because E8 Sport, a video game company, created a video game with his image and paid a lot of money to the NCAA for that, but nothing to O'Bannon because supposedly players are amateur and they not receive any salary. This open or reopen a topic that has been discussed through years. And my question is, it is fair the policy that the NCAA players do not charge? Uh, as I said, this is a topic that for many years has been discussed and has generated a lot of controversial talk. But today I would like to step my side and give three reasons for why an NCAA player should be paid. The first argument, and most probably the one with more weight, is the profit. The profit that comes to the universities and to the television channels at expenses of those player figure. Uh, while a player cannot even get closer to the money without being suspended or anything else, millions of dollars fly around them. The college sports industry generate more than 11 billions of dollars per year. For example, in this year, there are 15 college who reports revenue exceeded to the 50 millions dollars, and 5 of them reports revenue exceeded to the $100. So there's a lot of stuff, there's a lot of money there, and most of this revenue comes from many sources. For example, the sales of the tickets for the games, the sponsorship rights, the broadcast right for the televisions are one of the sources that the NCAA get those money. The second argument is that there's no reason for no pay to the players, but there are reasons for universities use those money or invest those money in indirect benefits for the players, such as create installation and beautiful installation, and especially the exorbitant salary for the head coach. Uh, and we can see in sports like football and basketball how a coach could earn a ridiculous salary of up more than 10 millions of dollars per year. John Nocera from the New York Times has dedicated thousands of columns about that topic, and in 2016 he wrote that a college football coach wins twice as much as an NFL coach did, and a college basketball coach 7 times as much as an NBA coach did. So while players risk their physical and suffer many injuries without being rewarded monetary, coaches get a lot of money. The third argument, is protections against injury. And there are many times when we see a prospect who will be chosen to the NFL draft being impacted because of injury, and that impact where he's chosen, or maybe can lose millions of dollars because of injury. Connor Muldowney from Fox Sport, he wrote an article that talks about football college stars who end their careers soon because of injury they suffered when they was playing. One of these cases he wrote is about Dante Love, and he said in that article, Dante Love looked at the next small school star to make it to the NFL. In 2008, he dominated the college football by leading the nation in receiving. He suffered a cervical spine fracture during a game versus Indiana University when two Indiana defenders made a play on him and he was down awkwardly. He was told by doctors that he will never be able to play football again. There are a lot of risk and there's a lot of money loose for players who can go to the major leagues and get big contracts to play in games or to play for something that is totally unfair and undeserved. Think about it. If if we see the point of view of a player, why they should play or why they should risk their future contracts for a game that is relative unimportant from them. And we see this often. So my question is, would you like to be compensated for the hard work or your hard time? In my opinion, every person should receive fair salary according to their income generated for their work. So that's my opinion and my talk. Thank you.